Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. Triangle ABC and PQR are similar and have the following properties. Angle A is the smallest one and angle C is the largest. The measure of angle P is equal to K times the measure of angle A, and the measure of angle Q is equal to K times the measure of angle B. The perimeter of triangle PQR is 2 times the perimeter of triangle ABC. K is greater than 1 and PQ equals to 54. Here we have a lot of information, and the primary information is the two triangles ABC and PQR are similar. Okay, first we have to draw two triangles so that the perimeter of triangle PQR is 2 times the perimeter of triangle ABC. Okay, now let me draw the two triangles. Here I have drawn two triangles. Okay, we have a smaller triangle and bigger triangle, and the smaller triangle is ABC and the bigger triangle is PQR, because the perimeter of triangle PQR is 2 times the perimeter of triangle ABC. Okay, now let me mark the vertices. Here we have A, B, C, and here we have P, Q, R. And there is an information: angle A is the smallest and angle C is the largest in triangle ABC. Okay, here at the vertex A, we have the smallest angle. Let me say the lowercase s represents the smallest interior angle in triangle ABC. And at the vertex C, we have the largest angle. Let me say lowercase l represents the largest interior angle over here. And at the vertex B, let me consider the lowercase m as a measure of this interior angle at the vertex B. Okay, now let's order the three interior angles of this triangle ABC. We know that this lowercase s is the smallest interior angle and this L is the largest one. Then the measure of this interior angle M has to be between S and L. Then we can write the inequality, that is S less than M less than L. Now let's consider the information we have over here. That is the measure of angle P is equal to K times the measure of angle A. Let me take the interior angle at the vertex P in the second triangle. So the measure of this interior angle is equal to K times the measure of interior angle at the vertex A in the first triangle, that is K times S. Then the measure of this interior angle at the vertex P is Ks. And we have the information: the measure of angle Q is equal to K times the measure of angle B. Here we have the vertex Q. This vertex, the interior angle measure is equal to K times the measure of angle B, that is K times M. Okay, now let's consider the other information, that is K is greater than 1 and the length of the side PQ in the triangle PQR is 54. Okay, now let me mark 54 over here. So that's the length of the side PQ. Since the two triangles ABC and PQR are similar, the three interior angle measures we have in the first triangle ABC must be equal to the three interior angles of the second triangle PQR. Now let's consider the smallest interior angle in triangle ABC, that is S. It must be the measure of one of the interior angles of the second triangle PQR. So where we can have this interior angle S in the second triangle? Okay, can we have this interior angle S at the vertex P over here? So when we have this interior angle S at the vertex P over here, then this S and Ks must be equal. Is it possible? Is it correct? We know that the value of K is greater than 1 and here we have S, the same value. So when S is multiplied by some number K which is greater than 1, can it be equal to S? No, it's not possible. So that is a product of the number greater than 1 and S cannot be equal to the same value S. So we cannot have this interior angle S at this position. Okay, can we have S at this position Km? Then this S and Km must be equal. We know that M is greater than S, and when M is multiplied by some number K which is greater than 1, can this product be equal to the value S which is less than M? No, it's not possible. S and Km cannot be equal. Then this angle, interior angle S, must be at the vertex R. So we can have S over here. Now let's see where we can have this interior angle M in the second triangle. So this M and Km can be equal. Let me check it. M equals to Km. We know that K is a number greater than 1. When a number greater than 1 is multiplied by M, will this product be equal to the same M over here? No, it's not possible. So we cannot have this interior angle M at this position over here. Then this M must be over here. And I am pretty sure M cannot be at this position because M is greater than S. So we'll have this interior angle M at the vertex P. Then this Ks and M must be equal. Okay, and then we'll have this interior angle L at this position, that is L equals to Km. Now let's write the vertices of the two triangles in order. Okay, let me take the vertex A in the first triangle. And what is the corresponding vertex in the second triangle? Okay, here we have the interior angle S, and the vertex R in the second triangle, we have the same interior angle S. Then this A and R are the corresponding vertices. Now let me take the vertex B in the first triangle, and what is the corresponding vertex in the second triangle? Here we have the interior angle M, the same interior angle M at the vertex P over here. Then this B and P are corresponding vertices. Let me write P over here. The third vertex in the first triangle is C, and the third vertex in the second triangle is Q, and these two triangles are similar. Okay, now let's consider the side PQ of the second triangle, because we have the length of our PQ over here. Okay, let me take the side PQ in the second triangle. What is the corresponding side in the first triangle? Here, to get the side PQ, I have considered the letters at the second position and third position. Now to get the corresponding side in the first triangle, we have to consider the letters at the same position, that is second position and third position. Then I am getting a BC. So the sides BC and PQ are corresponding sides in these two similar triangles. Okay, now let's consider this information. The perimeter of triangle PQR is 2 times the perimeter of triangle ABC. Okay, now let me assume the perimeter of triangle ABC is just 1. Then what is the perimeter of triangle PQR? It is 2 times the perimeter of triangle ABC. 2 times 1 is 2. Here I got the perimeters of the two triangles, that is 1 to 2. Since the two triangles ABC and PQR are similar, in whatever ratio we have their perimeters, in the same ratio we have the corresponding sides of BC and PQ. Already we have the length for the side PQ, that is 54. Then what must be the length of BC, so that the ratio of these two lengths equals to the ratio 1 to 2. Then the length of BC must be 27, so that the ratio of these two numbers are 27 and 54 is equal to 1 to 2. So here I got the length of the side BC in the triangle ABC, that is 27. Now let's go over the answer choices here. We have to find the one which must be true. Okay, in answer choice A, we have k equals to 2. We have the information k is greater than 1, but we don't have enough information to decide whether k equals to 2 or not. So we cannot conclude answer choice A is true. So let's reject answer choice A. And in answer choice B, we have PQ over AB equals to 2. We have the length of PQ, that is 54, and we don't have the length AB. And if I want this ratio is equal to 2, then 54, that is the length of PQ, then AB must be 27. But I do not know the length of this AB is 27 or not. So we cannot conclude the information we have over here in answer choice B is true. So let's reject this one. Okay, in answer choice C, we have BC equals to 27. We got this one as result over here. That is the length of the side BC in triangle ABC is 27. So it must be true. So the correct answer choice for this question is C. And here we can reject answer choice D, because we have k equals to 27. We know that k is greater than 1, but I'm not sure what is the exact value of k. So for whatever reason, we have rejected answer choice A. For the same reason, we can reject answer choice D. So therefore, the correct answer choice for this question is C.